This is what we're going to build today. Hey Siri, run my audio journal. It was a bright sunny day. What if you could use iOS shortcuts together with AI and build products without code? We are going to use today speech-to-text AI models, Whisper from OpenAI. And we're going to mix that with shortcuts. So we are going to create an audio journal entirely for free and for you to make. Once we are in shortcuts, we're going to add elements in there. The first thing we want to do is we want to record audio. So we're now in shortcuts on the desktop. So we're going to type here, record audio, and we're going to drag it. Show more, audio quality normal, everything normal, all fine. Record audio outputs directly M4A. So we're just going to continue with that. And we want to do the call directly to OpenAI. So there's no OpenAI in there. What we can do is get to an URL. What URL are we going to go? We're going to go to the API URL of Whisper. When you're on your OpenAI, go to API reference, audio, create transcript. Here you have the entire code of what you need. This is the URL we're going to add. So we're going to replace here. Now, to be able to send more information with that URL, we need to get content of the URL right after that. Because we're not getting information, we're posting information to the API. We're going to make this a post call. Now, we can see the content type here is multi-part form data, and the request body here could be form. In the headers, in this call, all the H are the headers. We're going to use this for this one, authorization. And here we're going to say bearer. Here you want to add your API key. The API keys, you can find them onto your account and view API keys. Once you've copied your API key and you've put it there, you go into the request body and we're going to add two specific requests there. These two elements, file and model. Mobile is Whisper1 and the file is the actual file. So this is going to be file, type file, recorded audio from earlier. And then we're going to get here model text Whisper1. Let's try it. Hello, this is Vince and my journal. Hello, this is Vince and my journal. We can see it's working over there. Important. And there we go. Hello, this is Vince and my journal. Perfect. Now that we are from the audio to the text, we want to send that text to our phone notes. How do we do that? Super easy. We go and say notes and we drag create note. Here we want to say content of folder of URL and in folder the journal. Hey, this is Vince. As you can see here, it sent the entire full JSON file of hey, this is Vince. We want to extract the exact text within this JSON. We have to have something before. And in shortcuts, it's called dictionary. We want to get the dictionary value. What is the key? Text. We want to get the value of the text in the content URL. Now this here, click right and say select variable of the dictionary value. And that's it. Hey, this is a test for my journal. I'm trying to speak really fast and see if Whisper can actually handle the speed of my journal. Imagine I would speak like this every day and I would have thousands of journals. Let's see if we're getting some data. And there you go. Hey, this is a test for my journal. I'm trying to speak really fast and see if Whisper can actually handle the speed of my journal. Awesome. Now the best part is we've done it on the laptop, but because everything is on the cloud, hey Siri, run audio journal. This is a test. I'm talking to my journal and it's going to open my notes. This is a test. I'm talking to my journal and it's going to open my notes. Yeah. That's basically it. Thank you so much for following along. You don't have to create at all this shortcut. Just go and click on the link below and download it directly into your shortcuts on your iPhone. You will have though to create your own API key to use this. If you like this build, please leave a comment.